Seriously? I'm the only one who made a mess preparing bread? I have to ask my wife Emanuela. I'm sure she's got a solution. Follow me. Manu, I tried to make some bread, but it's not for me at all. I made a mess.
Why? Can you believe I made this bread without getting dirty, actually without using my hands and any machine at all?
I cannot.
So, let's do it. I will show you.
Okay.
Today, following my instructions, Alessandro will show you how to prepare the no-knead bread. For this recipe, we need 200 grams of 00 flour, 200 grams of semolina flour, 300 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, cling film, baking paper, a large bowl, a pot that can go into the oven.
Okay, chef, I'm ready. What first?
You need first to take a bowl like that and a fork, perfect, and then you can place all of the dry ingredients first. And then slowly, meanwhile you turn it, add the water.
I have to mix all the ingredients until I reach the perfect consistency, right?
Exactly. It doesn't matter if the dough is not completely smooth and perfectly. It's enough to make yourself sure that all the ingredients are mixed together.
Okay.
Have to be ugly, not pretty at all.
Definitely this is much easier.
Yes.
I think I'm there, right?
Esatto, perfetto, well done. Now we need to let it rest first, and we can wrap it the entire bowl.
Okay, the entire.
And let it rest inside the fridge for at least 6 hours.
So I can prepare the dough, for example, in the evening and let it rest and prepare the bread the day after.
Esatto, this is the advantage of that system. Remember, don't leave it inside the fridge for more than 24 hours.
Okay.
We can take it out the cling film and let's see. As you can see, it's sticky. That's why I need flour.
Okay.
To place it on the table, and I flour my hands as well.
Yes, it's sticky.
It's sticky. I spread a dough as a rectangular, like that. I fold it, press a little bit, and in that way. Look carefully, because now it's your turn. It must be twice.
Okay.
Take a little bit of flour on your hands.
So I create a rectangular, right?
Esatto.
Now I fold the two halves like this.
Press a little bit.
And again.
In the other way. Esatto.
And the other one.
And now that we've got something like that, we create a bowl and we can place it inside the pan with baking paper, a little bit of flour on the bottom and a little bit on top.
Okay, we can bake it now.
Not yet, we need to let it rise for 2 hours.
Always in the fridge?
No, outside the fridge. Yes.
Perfetto.
So I can finally put it inside the oven. We cover it with its lid for 20 minutes, 230 degrees Celsius. That in Fahrenheit is 450. If you don't have it, you can even cover it with silver paper. After this first short baking, remove the lid or silver paper and finish baking for 20 minutes, 220 degrees Celsius, that in Fahrenheit is 300 and 430. So the bread can become gold and with a nice crust on top.
Oh Manu, look at that.
Eccoci qua. Wow.
Beautiful, eh? Not too
I'm
bad.
so proud of you.
Allora. Ah. Wow.
The sound of bread. And look it inside.
Ooh. This is a very easy way to prepare some bread. Also very light, because actually we add just
2 grams of yeast. Yes.
So easy, good and light.
If you like this video, smash like.
And if you haven't done yet, consider subscribing. Arrivederci to the next video. Ciao!
Ciao!